Hi friend, welcome to the video. In this video, I will discuss MJC Physics paper 5. So Mathematical Physics paper 2 and introductions of the computational methods. So one by one discuss. So discuss is here. First I come to the highlights area. To highlight this is the semester 4. So in this video, I will discuss mathematical physics syllabus, physics syllabus. So credit paper 5, theory 3 and practicals 2. See this? You are seeing. So come to the syllabus. So mathematical physics and introduction to computational methods. First unit. Curvilinear coordinate tensor and special functions. Sphericals and cylindrical coordinate systems and ordinary integrals of vector line, surface and volume integrals of vector fields, and you see tensor, elementary property, contravariant and covariant tensor, symmetric and antisymmetric tensor, singular points of second order linear differential equation and their importance. Provenience method and its applications to different equations, legendary basis, Hermite and legendary differential equation. So unit 1 has this, and next you see unit 2, chapter 2. You see, highlight this area, and this, you see this, wait. Partial differential equation and complex analysis. Solution to partial differential equation using separation of variables. Laplace equation in the problems of rectangular, cylindrical, and spherical symmetrics. Complex number graphicals represented. Euler formula, De Moivre theorem, root of complex number, function of complex variables, analyticals and Cauchy-Riemann condition, Cauchy inequality, Cauchy integral formula, simpler and multiply connected region integrations of the function of a complex variables. So this is the exercise. This is the unit 2, chapter 2, and chapter unit 3 is you see this. This is the unit C3. Introduction, importance of the computer in physics, algorithm and flow chart, algorithm definition, property and development, flow chart, concept of flow chart, symbol, guideline types, sum of the matrix of the sums, and product of a finite series, calculation of sin x as a series. And chapter 4 is come to the scientific programming uses and of Linux and editor, some fundamental Linux command internal and external commands, development of the portrait, this element of the portraits, vector set, constant and their types, variables and their types, keywords, variable declaration and concept of the instruction and programs, operator, arithmetic, relation, logicals and assignment operator, expression, arithmetics, relations, logicals, character and assignment expressions, contents statement, IQ statements. So for unit will finish. Next, so here remains unformatted executables and non-executables statement layout of front program format, Fortran programs format of writing program, and the concept of coding. So coding, Python, Java, C++. This is the coding programming language. So question number 5, chapter 5, control statement, type of logic, sequential selections, repetitions, bridging statement, logical IF, arithmetic IF, block IF, nested block IF, SELEC case, and ELSC if later statement. Looping statement, do, continue, do, in do while, imply, and nested do loops. Jumping statement, unconditional go to the computed, to go to assign, go to subscriptive variable function, and subroutines. Arithmetic statement, function subprograms, and subroutines. Example for physics problems. And next, so practical, you see, this is a practical. So next, suggesting readings. So most book is important for, I am not like this any books in this sections. So semester 4 MSc paper 6 and credit 5, theory 5, practical 0. So come to the points. Maxwell equation of continuity, displacement, grant Maxwell equation in a differential and integral form, vector and scalar potential, pointing theorems, and pointing vector energy conservation, qualitative idea of momentum conservation, electromagnetic EM, energy density, physical concept of the electromagnetic field, density, momentum density, description of Lorentz force. Electromagnetic wave propagation in a bounded medias. Propagations of the plane EM waves in a free what missing and transverse natures of the plane EM wave, refractive index, and dielectric constant wave impedance. Propagations of EM wave through the conducting medium, relaxing time, skin depth. So alpha beta skin depth. EM wave propagation in the bound media. Boundary conditions at a place, interference between two media, reflection and refractions of the plane waves at place, interference between two dielectric media, law of reflection and refraction of parallel formulas for perpendicular and parallel polarization cases, Bristol law, reflection and transmission coefficient, total internal reflection, metallics, and reflection normal incidence. So chapter 3 finish in the, and chapter 4 here comes polarization of electric waves, description of linear, circular, and elliptical polarization, unaxial and biaxial crystal, light propagation in an axial crystal, double refraction, polarization of double refractions. So chapter 4 in 5, transmission lines, propagations of EM wave. So highlight this area, all are highlighted. This transmission line, propagations of EM wave through transmission line, reflection coefficient, extending wave, characteristic impedance, propagations of constant waveguide, fundamentals of waveguides, condition of continuity at the interference expressed for field component TE and the TM modes, applications of properties, cuts of frequency, field energy, and power transmission, optical fiber. In these times, optical fiber is most necessary. Internet will provide optical fiber through numerical apertures, step and guarded indicate definition only, single and multiple modes, fiber concept and definition only. So this series and come to the practical sections. So suggested book. So introduction of electromagnetic graphics. This is the good books. And come to the next point. So semester 4 MSc paper 7 optics. So credit 5, theory 3, practical 2. So source outcomes, read this and highlight these points. So first, this highlighted. Light as EM wave, historical perspectives, suppositions of wave, condition for interference, interference by division of wavefront, Fresnel by prism, Leonard single mirrors, and the division of the amplitude, interference by the films, Newton rings, complex representations for intensity calculations, Stark Teichmans. This is the grids. So you need to one finish, and you need to interferometer, Michelson interferometer and its application. Multiple beams interference in the parallel film fabricated coherence, speeches, and temporal. Fraunhofer diffraction. Conditions for a diffraction Fraunhofer diffraction due to the single, double, and the multiple slits. Plan transmission gratings Fresnel diffraction. Jones. John Platt Huygens Fresnel principle, diffraction by a circular aperture, diffraction by a straight is realized, and criteria for limit of resolution, solving power, grating telescope and microscopes. So come to the chapter 4, polarization and double reflections. Polarization light and its mathematical representation. Productions of the polarization light by the reflection, diffractions of the excreting polarization by the double reflections, nuclear quarters wave plus wave, half wave plus waveness, compensators. Productions of analysis of circular and elliptical polarization lights, opticals, actively and Fresnel's theory by quarters polymeters. Elementary idea of Leibniz, Einstein, A, B, and A.B. Coefficient, populations in inversions, and holography. Holography is the most important phenomena we see every day in our lives. Holography. Holography test. So practicals. See